Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today, we've got our Fruit for Thought box, so let's get into it, see what fun theme we have this month. Fruit for Thought is always such a fun box. It is a themed box. It used to be just fruits and vegetables, but she's branched out into doing other themes. It is always so fun. Each month, I enjoy receiving this so much. It is $44.99. I will put the link down below so you can go over and check it out when I'm done. And with code Catherine10, you will get 10% off your first purchase. So let's open this right up and see what our theme was this month. Our theme for May is Farmer's Market. 2 thumbs up for Farmer's Market. Spoiler alert, June is going to be old-fashioned soda fountain. That is what it looks like. And on the back, we just have a little bit of information about each of our products. Right on in, and I have the Vintage Cosmetics, You Can Wash Me, I'm so comfortable, cherry makeup headband. With, you see it's got the bow on it and it's got cherries on it. That's what the back looks like. That is so cute. Let's see what the paperwork says. Soft polyester cherry print makeup spa headband to use whilst cleansing and applying face masks or applying makeup at the Vintage Cosmetic. That is so cute and soft. I will totally use that. I like to hold my hair back. Mostly when I do masks and stuff, if I am doing it while I'm putting my makeup on, my hair, once I hold it back, it's back for the day. And I like it a little more forward than that. So I mostly do this kind of thing at the evening because you guys know I'm an everyday washer. Super cute. Will totally get used. Next we have, what is this? I don't know. It's so cute. What is it? I need my glasses. It is now my up here pin for when I total up how much boxes are worth and stuff. Look how cute that is. It's a little flower and it's floppy and it's a pen. Oh my gosh. It kind of bobbles while I write. So fun. Wrote just calf up in that upper corner. It's black and it's real fine, but it's kind of also like rollerball. I guess that's what you would call it. I just put it in my little jar where I keep all of my pens. So cute. The paperwork says, celebrate the cherry blossoms with this beautiful silicone cherry blossom pen. I am outside of DC and we just had cherry blossom season, so I love seeing all things cherry blossom. Okay, next. Ooh, next I have, I'm gonna guess a bath bomb. Is it one of Nikki's? It is Southern Fleek Bath. So of course it smells delightful. Also a cherry blossom. It is a bath bomb, Southern Fleek Bath. You guys know I unbox Nikki's boxes here on the channel. She always does the best scents. This is different than most of her scents. It's a little, I'm gonna say earthier. What is that scent? Cherry blossoms are a symbolic flower of spring, a time of renewal, and you will definitely feel renewed after soaking in this moisturizing Sakura bath. Yes, it smells like the Sakura that, who does that? Oh no, I did their entire advent calendar one year. Oh my gosh. And they do the Sakura scent. I'm not gonna, when I just yell out a name later, you'll know. This large bath bomb will fill your tub with a soft pink hue and a lingering fragrance of fresh Sakura flower petals. Each one is made with nourishing ingredients including cocoa butter and organic virgin cold pressed coconut oil. And it's at Nikki Ward. Nikki has an Etsy shop where she does Southern Fleek out of. Love it. This is actually, I discovered her in one of my Fruit for Thought boxes. I love what she does with scent. Okay, let's see. Rituals. I knew it was going to happen like that. It's like I have Tourette's sometimes. Rituals is the name of the brand that does this Sakura line that. Okay. Ooh, next out we have earrings. Very pretty. They're little cherry blossoms. Those are so pretty. Made from sustainably sourced wood on 90% recycled cards. Cherry blossom earrings are made from sustainably sourced wood by Green Tea Jewelry. Ear wires are silver finished 304L stainless steel hypoallergenic. I had them turned around, I think. That's what they look like from the front. I had them turned around the wrong way. Look how pretty those are. I think last out I have Cherry Blossom Bark at the Capital Candy Jar. So what does it say? 3-ounce Cherry Blossom Bark. Cherry Blossom Bark by At Capital Candy Jar is a combination of cherries and chocolate, featuring dark and white chocolate layers infused with cherry oil and dried tart cherries. Throw in some pink sprinkles and dark drizzles, and you've got the perfect spring treat. Comes presented in a bright pink box with a cherry blossom design. It does. Let's check it out. Actually, because of the way they did the dots, it almost looks like a cherry blossom. Can you see how pretty that is? Should we just go? Yeah. Yeah? Okay. We'll go ahead and try a bite. It's layered white and dark chocolate. Mmm. 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 That is delicious. You get the milk chocolate. I don't think it's dark. I said it's layered light and dark, but did they say it was dark chocolate? That's not dark chocolate. No, I think the dark must mean color relative to the white, because it's not a dark chocolate. It's very milky, but it's very, very good. And then you get the white chocolate, and they did put like a tart cherry oil in it, so it's, my mouth is still watering. I almost can't talk. That tastes delicious. I want to shove all of that in my mouth right now, but going to be good, and I'm going to put it away and enjoy it a little bit at a time. May's theme was farmer's market. I will admit, if I just looked at this, I would think cherry or cherry blossom, but either way, totally works for me. We've got our gorgeous cherry makeup headband, totally gonna get used. We have, and never ever disappoints, one of Nikki's bath bombs, and this one looks like a cherry blossom. Smells like Sakura. We have this adorable silicone it is so cute. Cherry blossom flower silicone pen. The beautiful cherry blossom earrings, and our delicious, not long for this world, cherry blossom bark. 3 ounces. Delicious. Another adorable box from Fruit for Thought. I will put the information down below for you with Catherine 10. You will get 10% off your first box. This is sent to me for review, and I want to thank them for sending this over. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. I hope I will see you again really soon, and I hope you guys have a great evening. Bye, guys.